this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your requested pick a card reading. What is the angel's message for you, friends, for now, for your future? What's going to happen next? Let's see what the angels want to tell you. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share our channel, friends. Thank you if you have already subscribed. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading and always get the notifications. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way or the other. Friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. We have some beautiful choices today. I hope you like these choices. They are my favorite, as you all know. And let's take a deep breath. You can think of your situation or your life in general, and let's see what the angels want to tell you regarding your life in general, any area. Let's see what will come. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose option 1, this beautiful blue candy. Option 2, this beautiful golden candy. Option 3, this beautiful silver candy. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section below, so you can always go there and check your file. You can also choose more than one, friends. If you feel drawn to more than one, that's also perfectly fine. Feel free to watch all of them if you like. Do subscribe, friends. We are working very, very hard to keep you assisted because times are tough, as you all know. This isn't the easiest time for all of us. So let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful electric blue candy, what is the angel's message for you? What is going to happen next for you? Let's see that. This is your advice cards. Let's see. Wow, Eight of Cups, the Lovers, the Empress. Wow, the Four of Wands, the Eight of Wands, King of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and Archangel Raphael, the healing, number 38. So, I hope you can see the cards. Okay, I hope you can see the cards, friends. So, I feel like, let's see. I feel this is a challenging time for you currently because you are feeling left out, or you feel like someone has left you out from their life. You want to move ahead. I feel pile number 1, you want changes. When I looked at this blue, it was like you want some change which isn't coming for you, or it hasn't manifested for you yet. I feel you had to move on from a relationship recently, or some of you had a breakup. I also feel you are tired of a situation, like you want to change a city or home, or you just want things to move forward. You want change, positive changes. I feel some of you had been going through a lot of challenges. It's been a challenging few months for you. I think emotionally, especially in relationships, things have not been going well, or there were ups and downs in a relationship. I also feel that all that is behind you. Some of you, I feel like, could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely a Capricorn, a Virgo or Taurus, or you could be a Capricorn, Virgo or Taurus. I also feel you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be from the same sun signs, like fire signs, fire, fire, earth, earth. I feel there are a lot of, actually I'm getting a lot of messages from this pile, so I'll cover one by one. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Don't worry, friends. I feel like some of you really want to move out, or someone, okay, firstly, some of you want to move ahead of a relationship or a breakup, and you want change, you want happiness, you want this happily ever after, you want that marriage commitment, or you want happiness. I feel it is for with your twin flame. Some of you are disappointed with your twin flame, or they have hurted you recently, or someone you love has hurted you, let you down. I also feel it could be your family members hurting you, letting you down. I also feel like all that is behind you, friends. That's the good news. Some of you also want to change your work or career because you feel let down, you feel unhappy there, not at all fulfilled in that job or career. So you want change, and definitely that change is going to come for you. You may right now feel as options are limited, or there are not many choices, but I feel choices are coming your way. Things are going to work out for you, friends. A choice in love or in work or career is going to manifest for you. And I feel this is a very powerful time for you, friends. You are coming into your power, you are connecting with your divine feminine, your divine masculine. If you are a male, you are connecting with your inner god or goddess. If you are a female, you are connecting with your inner goddess, the divine feminine. I feel like you yourself are coming into a balance, and angels are saying your life will also be balanced ahead. Do not worry. Some of you are also questioning if you are on the right path in life or not. Some of you had ended things, maybe a relationship, maybe a marriage or a twin flame connection, or just a bad job or something. Or maybe you feel you are ready for some positive changes, and you are wondering, is it the right thing? Are you on the right path? Yes, you are on the right path. Absolutely. I feel some of you want to travel, maybe, or some of you are dealing with a person who is in a different country or a different city. I feel Moscow, Japan, China, Russia, Japan, USA, UK are important for you. Maybe you want to go there for studies or for living, or someone there is important to you. I definitely feel you are on the right path, friends. You are on the right path, and things are going to work out for you. It may not seem like this right now because this is like the opposite of energies. It's like you feel unhappy, you feel sad, but this ray of hope is going to come. And I do not see it like a ray of hope, it's like a path of hope opening for you, friends. That's amazing. I see that a lot of communications are going to come your way. Some of you could be, especially in work related issues, a lot of communications are coming your way, friends. And if you are not communicating or looking for a job, but you are not asking your friends, family, or not taking any efforts, I think you may miss out on this happy career that's coming your way. So there is happiness near you and ahead of you, but you will have to be a little proactive and sure and confident to get it. In love, I feel definitely someone is going to message you, or conversations are going to open up very quickly. For some of you, this could be your twin flame. For others, an ex-lover, or your ex-husband or wife, or your husband or wife. This person wants to talk to you. I feel there is an age gap between you and this person. There is a lot of age gap for some of you, or some like 2, 3, 4 years of age gap. I think there will also be a choice given to you in love life. I feel like you may hear from this past lover, this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, but you may not feel ready to invest in this relationship right now or in the future. I feel you will have a choice to accept this person or not to accept them, or maybe there will be another partner coming in for you. So I feel there are positive changes. Ultimately, any path you choose, you are being guided towards this happy friendship, happy love, stable relationships, marriage for some of you. I feel this person was not choosing you in the past. They were choosing everything else: work, money, career. Maybe they put you in a third party. And I think Now they see and realize your value, whether you are a man or a woman. They are now realizing, or they will realize your value, and they will come ahead and talk with you. They will want to repair things with you. But I feel you feel very connected and passionate for this person, but I feel you will have a choice. You will have definite a choice to accept them or reject them, or to choose another person. You I feel choices will open up for you, and you will feel very much in your power, like the emperor and empress. So it is a good, it's like really you coming into your power. And angels are with you, because here is the angel here. And also the four of wands is also quite angelic in itself, and 8 is also the number of destiny, and there are two eights here, 8 8. So it is a number of destiny, karma, fate, universe supporting you. I feel number 38, number 12, 13, 18 and 14 are important for some of you. I feel another message I'm getting is, if you are a woman, or even if you are a man, you could be dealing with a woman who is very much upset about her pregnancy or getting married or settling down. There is some issue regarding getting married or getting pregnant or something like that. So that will be resolved. You are on the right path, friends. That worry will resolve. If you had complications in, I do not do health readings, friends, but this came as an urgent message. So if you are worried about those areas, you are protected, you are safe, and there is a chance of a birth happening in your family, maybe on your father's side family, or your husband's family. Someone in their family has given birth, or there is a birthday or something coming. I feel you are pile number one. You are really going to connect with your power, and things are definitely, you are on the right path to success. Challenges and worries will absolutely end or heal for you. Communications in work, in career, and in relationships are going to start for you. You also have the Archangel Raphael. So I feel you should ask Archangel Raphael to help you and assist you, because I feel like you, even when I'm telling you, you are not very reassured that yes, this is going to happen for you, because you had been through a lot of challenges. It's not easy. I can see, like, it was like multiple failures you had gone through, or multiple, like 8 9 10 blows or challenges you had gone through recently, and it's been way difficult for you. Please trust Archangel Michael. I don't know why I said Michael, so I guess Michael is protecting you. Archangel Michael and Raphael both are with you. If you are worried about a relationship, they are working, they are trying to heal it. And definitely I feel some of you are worried about money, like money is not coming, or the world situation is making you, like, even if you are a student, you are worried about money. What will happen to my money? The field I have chosen, I will not be successful, there is no money in it. I think you will be successful, and money issues will heal for you, but you will have to be proactive. You will have to connect with your creative power, and you will have to communicate, and put yourself in the right, the doors will open for you, opportunities will open for you, but you will still have that, that thing that you can choose them or not to choose them. And also, I think if you are feeling creatively stuck, that is also going to be resolved. Some of you are creative artists, musicians, and you may be feeling like, things are slow, or you don't feel very creative. That will also be resolved, friends. So it's an amazing reading. I see a lot of passionate connections coming for you, especially if you are single. Yes, you had been through a lot of challenges, but you are going to find this dependable man or a woman. If you are a man, you are going to find this empress. If you are a woman, you are going to find that stable commitment, that wedding, and you deserve it. By all means, you deserve it. And trust on Archangel Raphael. Let's see your advice cards. Wow, number 17, another 8, heal. I am telling you, friends, I think you are healing not just your recent heartbreak or your Recent challenges, I think you're breaking free of generational karma, some karma which has been stuck in your family or in your own for generations. It's like a repeating karma. You are breaking those chains. Some of you could be relocating. I definitely see, not it may not happen soon, but maybe in the year or ahead or in the future, you definitely want to relocate or shift to a better city or a country. Yes, it will happen. You are going to get that. Number four, lead. See, I told you, you have to be proactive, friends. You are destined to be a leader, or if you are single, you are destined to attract a leader in your life or attract that marriage or that relationship. It is like you're trying to manifest something, it is yours. But you need to be proactive about it. You need to believe that yes, it is yours. That degree, that graduation, that award, that recognition, it is yours. It's already destined. But you need to trust. You need to act. You need to connect. You need to connect with your emperor, inner emperor or empress. I think you are already doing it. Some of you are already, in fact, most of you I feel are already on the right path. And yes, good things are coming ahead. Let's see some special messages for, almost dropped a card, for pile number one. Wow, see, time to get out of a situation. See, I told you, you don't want to stay where you are. You don't feel you can connect anymore with where you live or something like that. It is like some things are over for you. Maybe a relationship, or maybe a job or a career, or maybe a marriage for some of you, or your twin flame. But or some hardship is over. The challenge is now behind you. You are on the road to success. See, I told you, you are moving on the right path. It is not just an opportunity, it is the whole path coming for you. Love is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. Some of you don't even feel that this will happen ever for you, but it will, friends. You must believe in yourself. You must believe. And shield, you need to defend yourself. Definitely, I feel if you are a student or at your work, you may have to defend yourself, or you feel like the world is trying to, like, people around you are not listening to you, or they do not understand you or something like that. So you may want to protect yourself. I also feel like you are protected. Angels are trying to tell you you are safe, you are protected. Maybe some of you are feeling sensitive regarding the world issues, or maybe the what's happening. So you can ask Archangel Michael for this blue light protection. And you can see all the cards are also blue, blue, blue here. Blue, 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 blue. So yeah, Archangel Michael is working very closely. Where someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. So definitely there are people, I felt like, who are not working with you, or you feel are stopping or blocking your path. I feel, friends, angels are telling you, you can rise above them. It's nobody can stop your success to come forth. No one can. Even if it's love, whatever it is you want, it is coming for you, friends. Don't worry about those things which are trying to block you, because it's powerless, because you are destined for success, love, and happiness. Vacation. See, I definitely feel some of you desperately need a vacation, or some time just for yourself. If you are married, you need some quality time with your husband or wife, or if you are in a relationship, you just want to sit and talk or cuddle with your lover, your friends, your pets. You want some time out, and you deserve it, friends. I think it is going to happen for you, and it will happen very soon for you. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, where you'll go, you'll visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful golden candy, let's see what is the angel's message for you, what's coming next, or whatever is going on in your life, what they want to tell you. These are your advice cards. We're gonna look at them in the end. I'll also be pulling some messages from these cards. I would like to shuffle them first because I used them in the first while, so I will shuffle them a little. All right. So I hope you have joined us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Let's see your cards. The Sun. This is beautiful. The Hanged Man. The Justice. The Page of Cups. The King of Rods. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And the Seven of Swords. And the Door to Personal Healing and Happiness. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. This is a very, very powerful reading. I feel some of you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you yourself are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, friends, or you could be also dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel you are dealing with a person, and there are two people. You are dealing with a person who has an age difference with you and a different cultural background. I feel as people also you are quite opposite, like whoever it is that you are dealing with, you both are very opposites. Like they are outgoing or you are outgoing. They are very empathetic, they are sensitive, they are very nurturing, caring. The other person is very active, dominant, and like one is the yang energy, one is the yin energy, the male energy, the female energy. So you are both like opposites. I feel if you're really, really single, friends, you are going to attract someone who is very much an opposite to you, and it is going to be a very interesting partnership for some of you. I feel this was an important message for someone out there, because you had been in relationships where you do not believe on love. You have lost your faith on love or people, and I think you need someone who can really build that trust and faith for you in love, in relationships. I think that person is coming for you. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. And I feel if you don't know your twin flame, there is a very strong possibility they are your twin flame. I also feel for others of you, I feel there is a relationship which is stuck, and it is stuck since a very, very long time, and you feel so frustrated. You feel like, oh my God, OMG. I can actually hear the words that you want to say, but I cannot say them here because of the copyright and all those. We have to keep our language clean. So I would say OMG, because you are frustrated. This person has ghosted you. They have they have hurted you. They might have put you in a third party, or they keep coming in and out of your life. It is frustrating. I also feel like there is a twin flame or some connection that is on pause since a very, very long time. Maybe 8 months, 8 years, or maybe like 2 to 3 years or months, 2 to 3 months. Things are stuck. Things are stuck, and you are frustrated. You may have thought this person was your twin flame, or someone very important, someone you are going to marry with. I feel there is a chance you will get some clarity on that situation. Absolutely. If someone has done you wrong in a relationship, someone has hurted you, there is a very strong chance of clarity and justice coming back to you. And if something, I feel like if you felt someone was your twin flame but they were not behaving like your twin flame, you will find the clarity in that, because you have chosen this golden pile. So something is going to be revealed to you, something that was missing from your knowledge before. I also feel some of you okay, let's I also feel some of you are you are destined for a lot of success in your work or your career or education. Like you are this beautiful bright sun, sunshine, sunlight, starlight, or whatever you call it. You know, you are made for limelight. You are made for you are destined for some fame, some excellence in your work. It is destined, but I think you are scared. You are scared because nothing right now is moving in your life, in your career. You also feel like you know, you will not be able to achieve your dreams. You feel like that. I think you will be able to achieve your dreams. Whatever is your dream, you will be extremely successful. Whether you are starting a new career or a new YouTube channel or some new business ideas, or maybe you are starting your first book, or you are starting your first painting, singing, music, whatever. Maybe some of you are models, actors, starting your own class, workshops. I think you will be very, very successful, and it is just a matter of time before things fall into place or start moving for you, because I think you are waiting in this you are waiting and waiting for things to happen, and it's frustrating. I can understand. It's not fun to wait. That's why some of you ask why I post every day, because it's not fun to wait, you know. I know it's more hard work for me, but if you subscribe, it really helps me, friends. It really helps our channel. So you can also, if you subscribe and click the notifications, it helps, you know, it helps in you getting the notifications and able to watch these videos free, of course. I also feel like some of you could be married with a person, and or maybe there is some issue going on in your marriage, like things you do not see eye to eye, or there are you could be fighting with your ex-lover or ex-husband or wife, or you are already married but you are someone is having, you know, like there is some sort of a legal issue or that's bothering you. I think you will find some justice in it, whether it is if you are married or going through a divorce, or there is some legal issues anywhere in your life. Some sort of a justice will going to happen. I also feel like some of you always feel that life is like, you know, you keep on giving and giving, and you have to bend out of shape for things to happen for you, but still they do not happen. Like you had to go, you know, you had to do too much in love or too much for your parents or your relationships, your husband and wife, but nothing really fulfills you, or nothing really fulfills them. So there is a kind of disappointment. You feel disappointed, like you do everything but justice doesn't come to you, or it doesn't happen. Things are not fair for you. I think that is going to change. New doors of happiness are going to happen, and this is because justice, you are destined for these changes, positive news coming in, and people offering you help, people going out of their comfort zone to be with you, someone coming in to reassure you. I think some of you could be meeting this person who has ghosted you, who has left you or put you in a third party. Some sort of a justice will happen in, or balance will happen in that situation. I also see a door to personal healing and happiness. So, absolutely, new doors are opening for you. And not just that, peace is coming in your life. Peace, happiness, hope is coming, and this sunshine is going to shine. There is going to be. If I think some of you are feeling like life is very dull right now, you are stuck, nothing is changing, nothing is happening. Don't worry, things. Open the window of your house, open the window of your soul. Things are open the window to our channel, friends. Yes, Magic Wins Tarot. You know, a lot of things are coming. Lot of things are coming, and it's just a matter of time before things start happening for you. Why? Because it's destined for you, and you are going to meet that compatible partner, especially if you are single. Some of you are really doubting, and maybe you could be the person that will come will have an age gap with you, and it may bother you, like the age gap is too much or too less, so you may feel bothered. But I think it is destined, or it, you know, you both will be perfect fits for each other. And some of you will be getting some guidance regarding your twin flame. Let's see your advice. Rest and reconsider. Number 9. Definitely, friends, I feel you are trying to figure out things right now. You are trying to rush things when it's not happening right now. You are trying to make things fast, 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 but it's not, your results, you are not seeing the results. So angels are saying, relax. It's happening. There is divine timing. That there is a need to pause right now. It's not that it's not like a full stop. It's like a comma. You're just stopping. You're just pausing for a movement to catch your breath, and then life will pick up its pace. I also feel some of you feel someone is your soulmate, or someone is your twin flame, or they were supposed to marry you, they did you wrong. I think there will be clarity on that situation. Strengthening bonds, number 1. This is the Ace of Wands. So, absolutely passionate new starts and new connections, and renewed love is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. 1 and 9. So, you are at the end of a situation, or at finishing stages, and a positive new start is yet to come for you. So, you are here. So, don't lose faith here, because this is also here for you. Let's see what other messages will come. I hope this. For pile number 2, angels, what is the message for pile number 2? Oh my god. These cards fly out like anything, like, see? I can't believe it. They are like tricks of a magician, of a card player. They just fly out. I never have to do anything with them. Seriously, these, what do I say? Tower, solid foundation, success with effort. Absolutely, you may be doubting whether that relationship, marriage, or that goal or that dream will come true, that ultimate success will be yours. Yes, yes, you have worked hard, you have laid the foundation, it will come for you. Success will come. Major challenges to overcome. Yes, there is some. I feel the challenge here right now is that you need to keep your mind open, and just, you know, don't give up or get frustrated with the wait involved right now. Divine timing is at work, and you may feel frustrated with it. Kite, vacation. I definitely see someone could be traveling towards you, or you may get to travel in the coming days or in the future ahead. Or I feel you will be, this also reminds me of things moving forward, this new doors or messages or news coming towards you. Moon, changes in your life. See, some things are changing for you, and some sort of a clarity is going to come. So you need to keep your mind open. I see some resistance here, friends. You may resist good things coming your way, or if a relationship isn't working or someone isn't your twin flame, angels will tell you, but you may resist it. So don't get triggered, friends. If this, I'm just trying to tell you what I see. Changes in your life are coming, things are changing, your moods may change, or someone else's moods may swing. So be easy on yourself, don't be so hard on yourself. Ring, see, a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So definitely a romantic marriage or a business alliance is coming for you. Ladder, climbing towards success. Yes, success is coming towards you. You are on the right path. Someone working against you behind your back. Let us see the other cards. A woman, dealings or relationship with a woman. Definitely you could be feeling like there is a third party in a situation in your marriage or love relationships, or with an ex-lover. Also, if you are at work or with your friends, you may feel someone is trying to get between friends, or someone is not being very honest with you. There is also a man, dealings of a relationship with a man. So absolutely, friends, I feel you are going to get a new relationship for some of you, or you will hear from a past lover. Secret admirer. See, there is someone that you have not given an option to, so you should keep your mind open. I told you. You think someone else is destined for you, but I think destiny has some other plans, and I think it is for a higher reason. New job or a career. That's beautiful. Yes, new job or a career is coming. That's what I felt with Kite. You feel like you are vacationing right now, job is like not going great, but things will move ahead. Victory in some endeavor. That's beautiful. This reminds me of the horseshoe also. So luck and victory are with you. Keep yourself positive and keep your mind open. New clarity is going to come your way. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like, share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. And if you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends, and to join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful silver candy, let's see what is the angel's message for you, what's coming next for your life, or what is the general advice for from the angels. This is your advice cards. I'm gonna keep it here. Let's see your cards. The Knight of Cups, wonderful. The Four of Swords, the Nine of Swords. Oh my God, you have again 9. See, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, the Two of Rods, Two of Wands, the Fool. That's beautiful, and the Transformation. And you have number 33, 333, Door to Romance. That's such a beautiful card. And number 15, Appreciation. Wow. I think, friends, you are dealing with a lot right now. Oh my God, pile number 3. I don't know why I said 1. You should check out on 1 also. Pile number 3, you are going through a lot. Okay, I think some of you, there are 2 messages I'm getting right now. For some of you, you could be yourself having anxiety or stress or sleepless nights. You are feeling like, stuck in a situation. You are feeling very, very restricted, anxious. Or you are dealing with someone who is suffering from depression, anxiety, or something is making you anxious, or someone in your life is extremely anxious right now. They could be going through some sort of depression, or it's like very intense emotions, very intense. It's like they just keep, I can feel their energy. It's like this, they just fidgety. It's like this person cannot relax. I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. So you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel some of you are going through a massive transformation in your life, and it is such a transformation, it is such a change that it's making you anxious. Some of you may not even be realizing that your life is changing, and that is why you feel anxious, because you are going through something and you are not able to realize it. Something needs to end, or something has ended, or something will end or transform or shift in your life. It's making you anxious, or it's making someone else in your life anxious. I feel it's 50-50. Some of you are feeling yourself anxious. For others, it is your person, your lover, your husband, your ex-wife, whatever, twin flame, they are feeling anxious. I feel most of you are going through a very, very big shift in your life. And maybe a relationship is going to shift or transform, or maybe you yourself, your life is going to shift and transform. I'm sorry to say, but some of you could have you are missing the people you have lost. Maybe friends, maybe colleagues, maybe past lovers, pets, or what you say, like grandparents, people that have transitioned. You are missing them, you are thinking about them, and you feel like you feel in this in between energy where things are shifting, but the new hasn't yet happened. This new start hasn't happened, but the old hasn't finished also. So it's like frustrating for you. You are feeling very anxious. I also feel some of you could be dealing with a person who was immature, who was very, very defensive. This person likes you, they care for you, they just cannot keep their emotions from you, but they did exactly that. They kept their emotions away from you. This person is trying to behave like a robot, that they have no feelings, like a robotic person, they have no feelings, or they feel very stuck in expressing those feelings. They have tons of feelings towards you, but they are stuck in a robotic mode. It's like you want the ringer on a phone, but this person is not even on a vibration mode. They are just like, on silent. Nothing is happening here. It's frustrating this person. It's frustrating you. I think there will be a change in this relationship, or in this person, or in your dynamics of this relationship. I feel this person and you could have some age gap. I also feel this person is younger, or they are slightly more immature than you, or they are stuck in some sort of a pattern, health issues, or maybe they have some sick parents or family members, or they themselves are trying to recover and gain their confidence or mental or emotional health. I feel it could be your emotional health and mental health. You are trying to work and make your emotional mental health better. I think you are not even realizing that you are stressing yourself out, our viewers. So value yourself. It's time to value yourself. Don't be so anxious. You need to keep yourself a priority. Your body, your mind, your health, you should keep yourself a priority. You should appreciate yourself, your body, your mind. And I feel this also has to do with a lover, a love relationship. Someone isn't appreciating you, or someone really cares for you and they are in a stuck mode, like they can't say or express their emotions. I think changes will come. They are going to tell you how much they appreciate you. This person is dying. This person is dying to tell you how much they love you. For others, I feel there is a massive change coming in your career. It is like, you are trying to, I think some of you are trying to manifest more money, or you are working hard on your career, but things don't feel satisfying. You don't feel happy, or you don't find that support coming towards you. I think it is going to change. Money is going to come your way. People are going to appreciate you. If you are a woman, a lot of money is coming your way for sure. You could be doing your independent work, or you could be getting that position where you get the freedom to lead and to enjoy the luxury as well. I also feel if you are a man, there will be a new start for some of you, a new career, a brand new opportunity. And what you need to do is you need to change. You need to change your doubts. You need to change your fear. I think you are doubting yourself a lot, or you are self restricting yourself. Or maybe you feel your health is not allowing you something to do, or someone else's health is an issue right now. But I think things will change, maturity will come, and things are reaching that phase where things are going to start positively for you. I feel new opportunities are coming. If you are a student, I think you could be stuck with anxiety or some sort of a thing. So you should be careful and ask your friends and family or medical advice to help you out. I also feel you should drink more water, eat some fresh fruits, because I think some of you are not sleeping well, or not eating or getting some proper food, fresh fruits, food, and sunlight. So that is also there. And don't worry, things are transforming, and this new start is there for you. You should appreciate the journey you have taken. It's not You are not valuing yourself, I feel like. Appreciate yourself, and if you feel others do not appreciate you, things are going to change, both in love, in work, and in career. Definitely, there is this 333 number, so you may be seeing a lot of 333 or 111. It is a sign angels are with you. The door to romance. I think someone is going to tell you how much they care for you, or it could be like you love someone but you have not told them. You could be sharing to them this knowledge. I feel some of you are also going to reconnect with your work. fall in love with your work, your career, your education. That will be very exciting. Let's see your advice. New vitality again, number one. See, that's amazing. So, number one, you definitely, friends, if you are an artist, musician, or whatever work you do, I think you are going to find very harmony, a lot of harmony, a lot of peace, and connection. So something is missing right now from your life. I think the things are going to flow for you. You just need to flow with the flow. Things are already starting for you. This waterfall has started. Just flow with the flow. Number one, number 16, rebuild. Yes, you are working on rebuilding your heart, your life, your career, and some of you may be getting a relationship back, or a new relationship that will build your life, your success, or build your faith in love. So that's beautiful. I think a lot of people are coming who will appreciate you ahead. And right now, you must appreciate yourself and your body and mind, because I think you guys are being very tough on yourself. I feel someone is going through big changes in your life, or it is you or that person. Profile number 3, angels. Any other message? Okay. So I dropped a few cards. I will have to pick it up. Just give me a second. Yeah, see, some of you could be worried about your family or their health or inheritances, or your parents or your husband or wife, or your someone in your life, maybe your lover, twin flame. They could be dealing with some family issues. So it's going to heal. You should focus on seahorses. They flow with the flow. When they don't swim, they glide, right? So flow with the flow, friends. All is going to resolve. Affairs with your family. Again, here is the card. I think some of you are going to have this. You and this person are destined for a family ahead, or you both are like from the same soul family. So don't worry, things are on the right path. Don't worry. And ladder, climbing towards success. Absolutely, friends. You are appreciate yourself. You had been through a lot, and more better and better good things are coming your way. Wall, misunderstanding. Yeah, I think there is a misunderstanding with a family member, or a lover, or a husband or wife, or in between friends or sisters, brothers. It's going to heal, friends. Don't worry. You have 2 family cards, needle and thread. A sincere wish will be granted. So make your wishes, friend. They will be coming true very soon. The news of a birth, or a news of a birth, or a new business opportunity. So I definitely feel some of you could be having a rebirth in your life. You are rebirthing. Your health is getting better, or your someone else in your life, or your relationship with that person is rebirthing, or your career it is like rebuilding. I also feel there are more cards. Let's see. Happiness. See, happiness is coming your way, friends. Don't doubt it. Trust it. You are going through big transformations. It is difficult to trust when you are through the storm, right? When you are in the storm, nothing is clear. So I'm sure you may not find. It will be difficult for you to believe, but come after a few months, or maybe after 15 days, or for some of you, it might be quicker, these changes coming in. So come back again and check. I guarantee you it's going to be true for you. It's going to happen exactly like this. Veil, great worry over nothing. See, it's all going to work out, friends. Don't worry so much. Everyone is doing fine. Maybe if you are a parent, you might be worried about a child, maybe a teenager. You have children which are teenage kids, or a young kid, or a toddler, or a baby. You're worried about them. Maybe they are going through anxiety, or they don't talk much to you, or they live away from you. So I'm worried about them. It's all well, friends. It's all well. It's going to, they are protected. A stubborn, aggressive person, Ram, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. It could be you, it could be them. I think you are being a little resistant to the changes coming in. Vacation, see, flow with the flow, friends. Take a vacation, don't worry. And that's it for now. Please do subscribe, Magic Vans Tarot friends. Do like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. And please do come back and let me know if this came true for you, because I know spot on for sure it is going to come true. Because the energy is very strong, friends. It's very stable, it's very strong. And do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye.